Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to finance study abroad. First, thoroughly research all program costs, including tuition, housing, and travel expenses. Next, create a detailed budget to track every potential expense and income source. This will give you a clear financial picture. Finally, visit your university's financial aid office. They often have specific resources and advisors dedicated to study abroad funding. This initial planning is crucial for a successful experience. Securing scholarships and grants is a fantastic way to reduce your out-of-pocket costs. Start by applying for institutional scholarships offered by your home university, as many have dedicated funds for international study. Next, seek external grants from organizations such as the Gilman Scholarship Program, which supports students with financial need. Don't forget to look for program-specific scholarships directly from your host institution or program provider. These can significantly lighten your financial load. When scholarships aren't enough, loans and personal savings can bridge the gap. Consider federal student loans first, as they often offer more favorable interest rates and repayment terms compared to private options. If additional funds are needed, explore private student loans, but be mindful of their terms. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of personal savings or contributions from family members. Even a small amount saved can make a big difference in covering daily expenses. Beyond traditional methods, creative funding can help you reach your goal. Consider crowdfunding through platforms like GoFundMe, sharing your unique story and passion for studying abroad with potential supporters. Many students successfully raise a significant portion of their funds this way. Also, working part-time before or even during your program, if allowed, can provide valuable extra money. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.